Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready to be absolutely amazed, because today we're diving into something truly incredible, the power of the sun and how we turn its boundless energy into the electricity that lights up our lives. Every single day, the sun showers our planet with enough energy to power all human activities thousands of times over. It's what lights our homes, warms our atmosphere, and fuels all life as we know it. But here's the mind-blowing part. What if we could actually capture that immense, free power and transform it into clean, limitless electricity? Well, guess what? We can, and we are. This isn't just science fiction. It's the real-life story of how solar energy becomes electric energy, and it's completely transforming our world right before our eyes. So, let's kick things off by really understanding what solar energy is. Picture this: the sun, our incredible star, is essentially a giant, cosmic nuclear reactor. It's a massive sphere of hydrogen and helium, stretching a staggering 1.4 million kilometers wide. Inside its fiery core, nuclear fusion reactions are constantly churning, unleashing an unimaginable amount of energy. This energy doesn't just stay put. It radiates outward as electromagnetic radiation, which includes everything from the visible light we see to the invisible ultraviolet rays and the infrared heat we feel. When this sunlight finally reaches Earth, some of it gets soaked up by our land and oceans, while a portion bounces back into space. But here's the magic: with the right technology, we humans can actually harvest this radiant energy and convert it directly into electricity. How cool is that? Now, let's peel back the curtain and look at the fascinating science behind solar power. This all boils down to a phenomenon called the photoelectric effect. This incredible discovery, made by none other than Albert Einstein in the late 19th century, explains how light, yes, just light, can literally knock electrons loose from certain materials. And when those electrons start moving, what do you get? An electric current. This fundamental principle is the very bedrock of photovoltaic, or PV, technology, the brilliant science that makes solar panels work. It is truly a testament to human ingenuity, taking a natural phenomenon and turning it into something so incredibly useful. So, what's actually going on inside one of these amazing solar panels? Well, if you look closely, a solar panel isn't just one big piece. It's actually made up of many smaller units, and we call them solar cells. These cells are typically crafted from a material called silicon, which you might be surprised to learn is found abundantly in sand. Each individual solar cell is cleverly designed with two distinct layers. One layer has a positive charge, often called the p-type, and the other has a negative charge, known as the n-type. Now, here's where the real action happens. When sunlight, which is made up of tiny energy packets called photons, hits these silicon cells, these photons literally knock electrons loose within the silicon material. Once freed, these energetic electrons start flowing through an electrical circuit, and boom! You've got direct current, or DC, electricity. It's like a tiny, silent power factory built right into your roof. Alright, so you've got this direct current, or DC, electricity flowing from your solar panels. But hold on a second, this electricity isn't quite ready to power your home appliances just yet. The vast majority of our everyday electronics and the entire power grid operate on something called alternating current, or AC. So, how do we bridge this gap? That's where a super important device called an inverter steps in. The inverter's job is to take that DC electricity produced by your panels and skillfully convert it into usable AC power. Once that transformation happens, your solar electricity is ready to go. It can power your lights, charge your phone, run your refrigerator, or even be sent back into the national grid to share with your neighbors. It's a seamless transition that makes solar energy practical for everyone. But wait, there's a common question everyone asks. What happens when the sun calls it a day and goes down? Or what about those cloudy, rainy days? This is where energy storage becomes an absolute game changer. Imagine this: during the day, when your solar panels are pumping out extra electricity, any surplus can be cleverly stored away in solar batteries. Think of them like super efficient power banks for your home, often made with advanced lithium-ion technology. Then, when the sun isn't shining, at night or during inclement weather, that stored energy is ready and waiting to be used. This ensures you have a continuous, steady supply of clean power, 24/7. This incredible technology is crucial for building truly sustainable solar systems and dramatically reducing our reliance on traditional, less friendly energy sources. The impact of solar energy isn't just individual, it's absolutely global. Solar power is exploding onto the scene as one of the fastest growing sources of energy on Earth, and for good reason. From the smallest rooftop panels on a suburban home to massive, sprawling solar farms stretching across vast deserts, the entire world is embracing this incredible technology. Countries like China, India, the United States, and even Kenya are making huge investments in solar infrastructure. Why? Because it's a powerful, tangible way to slash carbon emissions, combat climate change, and build a healthier future for everyone. Every single solar panel installed, big or small, brings us one giant leap closer to a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable planet. It's truly inspiring to see this global movement. And speaking of the future, get ready to be even more excited. Scientists and innovators are relentless, constantly pushing the boundaries and developing what we call next-generation solar cells. We're talking about cutting-edge advancements like perovskite cells, which promise incredible efficiency, and bifacial panels that can capture sunlight from both sides. And get this, they're even exploring space-based solar power systems, which sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. These innovations are all designed with one goal in mind: to capture even more sunlight, at lower costs, and even in the most extreme environments you can imagine. Imagine a future where solar energy powers not just our homes and cars, but entire cities, our spacecraft, and even massive industries. It's not just about creating electricity. It represents humanity's thrilling transition toward a truly sustainable, renewable, and infinite energy future. The possibilities are limitless, so there you have it, folks. From the fiery, pulsating core of our incredible sun to the warm, comforting glow of the light bulbs in our homes, solar energy is more than just a technology. It is a powerful reminder that the answers to some of our biggest challenges often come directly from nature itself. By intelligently harnessing the sun's incredible power, we're doing more than just generating electricity. We are literally illuminating a clear, bright path to a brighter, cleaner, and far more sustainable future for everyone on this planet. This is the incredible power of the sun, the pure science of solar energy transformed into the electricity that fuels our modern world. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing science and tech content, and let me know in the comments what future energy topic you want to explore next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.